AMC 2004, problem 14. We have this woman and she has a purse containing pennies, nickels, quarters, and dimes, and it totals with an average of 20 cents. If she had one more quarter, the average will be 21. And we're trying to find how many dimes she has in her purse. Since we're dealing with an unknown number of quantity of quarters, let's assume the value and quantity, that two components necessary to calculate the average. We'll let the value be x, we'll let the number be y. So given this information, the value, which remember it's in terms of cents because everything is in coins, so they're all cents, x divided by the number of coins that she has will give 20. And likewise, if you had one more quarter, so x plus 25, the number of cents that the quarter is worth divided by the quantity that one quarter is, which is 1, will give an average of 21. We have two variables, two systems of equations. We can solve for both variables. X is 20y. We can cross multiply. X plus 25 is 21y plus 20y. We can substitute 20y into this equation to get 20y plus 25 is equal to 21y plus 21. We can subtract 20y on both sides and subtract 21 likewise, and we'll get y is equal to 4. So she has a total of 4 coins, and likewise, x will be equal to 20 times 4, which will be 80 cents. So she has a total of 80 cents within her purse. And we're trying to find the combination of such 4 coins, because that's the only number that she has from our expression. So there are many possibilities, and to understand how to get the answer is simply knowing how to count. So there are 3 ways we can approach this. We can assume the quantities are in the following order: 0, 0, 4. We can have it as 1, 1, 2, or we can have it as 3, 1, 0. These are the only possible combinations of 3 numbers below 4 that can result in 4. Now you might be wondering why I'm only accounting 3 coins within each possibility, because I am excluding the case of having pennies. And why is that? Because can we have pennies in any of the arrangements? A penny is worth 1 cent. We must sum the arrangement of 4 coins so that their total will be 80 cents. But a penny is only worth 1 cent. So no matter how many combinations of pennies that you have with other numbers that have a ones digit of 0 and 5, it will be impossible to add them so that the units digit of the resulting number will have a 0, which is necessary to compose 80 cents. So pennies is off the question and off the table. So we only need to consider the number of nickels, dimes, and quarters, and then we'll be done. So for each of the following cases, we just need to assort each number to every coin value and find which one totals the 80, and we will be done. So I'm going to let nickels be n, the number of quarters be quarters, and the number of dimes be d. So the nickels can have 0, the quarters can have 0, the dimes can have 4. The likewise 0, 4, 0, and 4, 0, 0. That will exhaust all possibilities. Now, obviously, each of these will not work because this one will be too great, this one will be too small, and this one likewise. So all of this will be a big no, so this possibility is off. Now let's try 1, 1, 2. What about 1, 1, 2? NQD, we arrange it again. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2, 1, 1. Now 5, this will be 5 cents, this is 25 cents, and this will be 10. So sum each number with their multiple. 5 plus 25 is 30, plus 20 will be 50, so that's under. 5 plus 50, 50, 55 plus 10, that'll be also under, and likewise for the third one. So the second option of 1, 1, 2 will be off the table as well. So the resulting combination, the answer must be some sort of 3, 1, 0 combination. And we'll write it right here. Nickels, quarters, dimes. Nickels can have 3, this can have 1, this can have 0. And likewise, we can make this static and result change the following 2. And likewise, we can make one static and change the others. And we can do that right now. Nickels can have 1, so this can have 3, and this can have 0. And this can have 1, this can have 0, this can have 3. And I'm running out of room, so I'm going to write it here. This be 0, so 3, 1, 0, 1, 3. That will be all the possibilities for the 3 numbers. Now, what is 3 plus 1 plus 0? 3 times 5 is 15. This plus 25 will be 40, plus the number of dimes, that'll be 0. So that is wrong. So once again, this will not be a solution. 301, well, that would be 15 plus 10, so that would be also wrong. And what about 130? 1 nickel, so that would be 5, and plus 3 times 25 would be 75. So we have finally a answer right here. She'll have 1 nickel, 3 quarters, 0 dimes. But let's see if the rest are actually true or not, because if the rest are false, then this will be our answer. 103, that's obviously under, so this will not be a case. 031, that'll be just over with 5 cents, so this will be wrong. And this one is obviously under as well. So indeed, we do have the case of 130 being our winner combination, with 1 nickel, 3 quarters, and 0 dimes. Hence, she would have answer choice A, 0 dimes in her purse.